Hello, and welcome to the culminating assessment for this To Kill a Mockingbird in Nonfiction unit. We have delved deep into some essential enduring skills of this unit. This project that we're doing is meant to assess your learning of those skills. We're going to take our analysis of characters and literature into a new realm of understanding. We're going to go beyond the written and add to it the realm of visual and audio text in order to analyze and create in a way that shows depth of understanding. Also, we will incorporate the levels of thinking, like remember, understand, apply, analyze, etc., that we practice when learning to ask questions of the text. Right now you're looking at the tool for this unit called Microsoft Sway, and we'll get back to that in a minute, but first let me give you an overview of the task. You are going to be creating a custom website that serves to textually, visually, and auditorily examine the character development of Scout or Jem in To Kill a Mockingbird. In addition, you'll also be exploring and analyzing the background and the theme of the novel. So, to do that, you're going to use this tool we're looking at right here called Microsoft Sway. Microsoft Sway is kind of a Microsoft product used for making presentations, reports, newsletters. Basically, you turn all those things into a website. So, think of it as kind of building your own personal website that analyzes To Kill a Mockingbird. So that's the broad, very broad overview of that. So it's a tool for creating and sharing presentation website. You can add mixtures of text, audio, images, video, all that stuff can be added into your Microsoft Sway. So it allows the user to go in depth on a subject using a variety of sources and mediums and gives users options on a layout for their content. Basically, if you can find or create it online, you can use it to build a Sway presentation. This tool will allow you to bring together all the knowledge you've gained in reading To Kill a Mockingbird and amplify your analysis of it in exciting and creative ways. So you can kind of really express yourself and really kind of delve into what you feel like your strengths are in presenting things and finding things and creating that into your presentation. Before we get into how to use Sway, make sure you're using this project calendar you were given in class in order to check the class activities every day. This is a tool I made for you in order to actively assess your progress on the project and know what your goals should be for every day we're in there and be able to try to meet those goals, and if you don't meet them, to know what you need to work on outside of class. So again, make sure you're using this to kind of actively assess your own progress on this. Let's get into how we're going to do that with Microsoft Sway. So first we're going to have to sign in, which is going to be up here at the very top. And to sign in, you can just use your school email address. So there's mine to demonstrate. And I'm going to hit sign in. It'll take me to the main screen for creating these sways. What you're going to do is click on Create New, and it's going to take you to the new Sway presentation. So now you're ready to go on the actual presentation. So to get started, you just really need to know the main areas of the presentation. You have over here is the cards. This is everything you can add to your presentation. There's lots of options, lots of ways for you to be creative. And the little plus sign here is how you can get to all that stuff in case it ever goes away. And it'll bring it up for you. You can use all the text types here, and when you're adding the text and when you're going to the create stages, you can use the image and video and audio and embed and all that stuff, and different ways to group the slides and everything. So you can have a lot of opportunities here for getting creative, but everything is added through the little plus sign, so that's where you want to get started. And in the next part of the video, you'll see a couple students like yourself actually doing this project and add some stuff to their storyline, so you might get a better idea from that too. I hope this video has given you a proper introduction to the project and to Microsoft Sway. If you have any questions, please see me or email me or message me on Remind, and I'm glad to help. Remember, you can always go back in this video and pause it wherever you need to, rewind it wherever, and also make sure you kind of use the text helps that Microsoft gives you as well if you have questions. Thank you.